There's a big difference between this battery and the model after this one, so I'll cover a full step-by-step battery replacement and share some info on the battery size. If your setup doesn't look like this, you might have the model after this one, so go and watch this video, the link will be somewhere on the screen. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. Now the bracket has two rods that hook into the bottom of the tray, but you only need to unhook one of them after loosening these two nuts. But before you run off to grab some tools, I'll share some tips to do the installation properly. It's good practice to clean the terminals with some fine sandpaper or a steel wire brush. There'll be a link in the description. You might have noticed this battery is quite small compared to the standard battery, so I'll share some info in a minute. For now, start with securing the bracket and then connect the positive first. The terminals are also smaller than usual and have a tendency to come loose, so opening the clamp with a screwdriver will allow you to push the terminal down on the tapered post for a better connection. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. There's pretty much one or two batteries that will fit here, which should be in the 40 amp hour range with these dimensions. I'll also leave some links in the description to buy the battery online. The engine light was on before the battery replacement, so yours shouldn't have any warning lights. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.